Chronicles of Boston. Happy Sabbath. This is what front of my apartment looks like. As you can see, I'm geared up. It's a little crazy for me, but this is normal for Boston. So here we go. It's still snowing. Right now you're looking at probably an inch of snow, only because the trucks plowed through the 2 inches, 2.5 inches that was here. It's still snowing. Should stop tonight, early tomorrow morning. Should get about 4, maybe 4.5. My car is completely covered. Anyone out here driving is just being foolish. That right there is foolish. You're better off walking. Come on, be smarter than that. The trucks everywhere. And that is about it. Signing out.